Have you ever wondered what happens to consciousness when the body dies? That question has haunted philosophers, priests, scientists, and ordinary people for millennia. Today, it's also a question modern neuroscience is seriously investigating, not to endorse any particular belief, but because strange, repeatable data keeps turning up in hospital wards, lab cages, and clinical trials. In this video, we're following the evidence, the brain activity recorded in dying patients and animals, the accounts of near-death experiencers, carefully controlled research into mediumship, and the fierce debate that divides experts. What you'll find is not a neat answer, but a series of surprising clues that force us to rethink what death really means. Let's begin with something that sounds counterintuitive. Researchers have recorded bursts of organized, high-frequency brain activity in subjects who are clinically dying. In animal experiments, teams have monitored the brains of rats during cardiac arrest and, astonishingly, observed transient surges of electrical activity, patterns that resemble some aspects of conscious processing, in the seconds after blood flow stops. In at least one human case reported in the literature, clinicians recorded a surge of EEG gamma activity around the time the patient's heart ceased beating. These are not the chaotic, noise-like firings you'd expect from neurons running out of energy. Some patterns look eerily like the brain's conscious signatures. Scientists like Jim O'Borjegan and colleagues argue this hyperactivity could help explain the vivid, structured experiences people report when resuscitated. The finding is a red flag. The dying brain may not simply switch off, but could be a last burst of organized activity that correlates with the intense imagery and awareness. People often describe those brain spikes are scientifically fascinating, but what about the people who come back and tell stories? Near-death experiences, reports of tunnels of light, life reviews, out-of-body perspectives, and profound feelings of peace are surprisingly common among survivors of cardiac arrest and other critical events.